Have you seen castor oil trending on TikTok and wondered if it's really the miracle hair remedy everyone's talking about? Did you know that castor oil has been a trusted beauty secret for centuries? Castor oil has a rich history, dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for its healing and beauty properties. I'm obsessed with it, and you will be too after seeing its incredible effects on hair and scalp. Stay tuned till the end because I'm sharing some critical don'ts that could make or break your hair care routine. First up, ricinoleic acid. This is the star component of castor oil. It's a type of fatty acid that does wonders for your scalp. Ricinoleic acid helps increase blood circulation to the scalp. This means more nutrients reach your hair follicles, promoting stronger and faster hair growth. But it's not just about growth. Ricinoleic acid is also a powerful moisturizer. It locks in moisture in your hair, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness. This means fewer split ends and breakage, leading to healthier, smoother hair. Next, let's talk about the antioxidants in castor oil. But first, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, check out our other video on the amazing benefits of castor oil for the skin. Let's move on to the antioxidants. These are crucial for maintaining the health of your hair. They help support the keratin in hair, making it stronger and less prone to damage. This means your hair isn't just growing faster, it's growing healthier and more resilient. Castor oil is also rich in other fatty acids like omega-6 and omega-9. These acids are great for soothing an irritated scalp, reducing dandruff, and making your hair look shiny and feel soft. Using castor oil for hair growth is simple but requires the right technique. Start by warming the oil a bit for better absorption. Then, apply it gently to your scalp with your fingertips, making sure to cover all areas. Don't forget to run the oil through the lengths of your hair too, for that all-around nourishment. About 1–2 hours is enough time for the oil to do its magic before you wash it off. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use is what brings out the best results. If you find castor oil a bit on the thicker side, just mix it with a lighter oil like coconut or almond. This combo is easier to apply and packs in even more nourishment. Now, let's talk about the don'ts. Don't leave it overnight. While it might be tempting, leaving castor oil in your hair overnight can attract dirt and lead to buildup, making your scalp greasy. Don't soak your hair. Applying too much oil can clog the pores on your scalp, hindering hair growth rather than helping it. Don't skip the scalp massage. After applying castor oil, don't just leave it sitting on your hair. A gentle scalp massage is crucial. It helps the oil penetrate deeper into the scalp, enhancing blood circulation and maximizing the oil's nourishing effects. Skipping this step means you're missing out on a major benefit of the oiling process. So, there you have it. The magic of castor oil comes down to these amazing compounds working together to improve your hair health from the roots to the tips. Castor oil is more than just a trend. It's a natural solution for healthier, fuller hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Until next time, keep shining.